Alright, today I want to cover how to upload a video. This can be done from pretty much anywhere on your page. So like this create button here. Oh look, last video got pretty decent views, it looks like. Actually 1 out of 10 of my last videos. So I like to go here since I actually schedule quite a bit of my stuff. And so I like to look and see when I'm going to schedule this next one. So as you can see, I do like 11 a.m. and a 6 p.m. schedule. So this next one is actually going to be a 11 a.m. schedule. So I'm going to hit the create button, upload. I have my video here. I try to name them basically what I think the title should be. So here in the VidIQ, I've talked about before a little bit, shows me my score. I've actually got a sheet here that I've been kind of typing and making. So I'm going to go with the next title and place it here. Oh, 81. Okay. So then I'm going to move down. I'm going to place my description. And then this kind of gives me an overall score of optimization, which is nice. Now, if you are struggling to get the title correct, you can click this and it'll give you some key pointers here on what you need to do to get your next, or that section, up to par and up to, a higher score. I try to get mine in the green. It helps, make sure that you get a good title, a good description, good SEO, which is important whenever you are trying to make your first content. I always try to add it to a playlist that just more ways people could find it. Now, I don't make content for children. Some of you may be making content for children, but this is, you only put yes if it is content that is literally made just for children. So most of my stuff would not be for children. It's, tech. Yes, it's fine for children to consume, but it's not made for the intent of children. So as you go down, yes, I have to put altered content because these videos that I use have a AI voiceover. That way, it just sounds more professional than my own voice. I use that AI voiceover, and it helps with my video, so I do press the yes button on my videos. Now, if you don't, then don't worry about it. This is what I talked about before in one of my other videos, in the settings that you can set these keywords the keyword tags, and they're already there for me. Now, one neat thing with this is, this can also give you some extra keywords that may fit, and it shows you a score of how well you're doing. If certain keywords is something, like say this one here, I may want to change it. I could change here and add this one. Well, there you go. And now it's added that keyword. Recording date. And then these are some other metrics that you may want to do. Well, you want to make sure that you do the science and technology. You have a bunch of different categories based on what you're wanting to produce videos about. You could just be people, blogs, music, whatever you're doing. Make sure you find the one that is more of your niche. This used to be how YouTube figured out where your videos went, but in the future, or what we're doing today, in the past, that's what it was. Now, these are huge. Your description is huge, and it actually transcribes your video, and it uses all that to figure out who your seed audience is. If you want to turn off anything with comments or anything, you can do that here. Alright, so next, related videos. So this is actually a short that I'm trying to promote my long form video with. So I scroll down to my long form video and I add it there. And so this will actually allow that short to have a button on the screen for them to click and go directly to this long form video. After your video has been basically scanned through by YouTube, it will actually let you know if you have any copyright issues or got community guideline issues. The shorter the video, the faster this takes. Like, as you've seen that this is already done. Some of my long form videos, it may take 5 or 10 minutes for this to, complete its scan. And if there is something, it'll notify you here. All right. So private, this allows you to actually have it hosted on YouTube and share it publicly to other people, but only via a link. So you can send people a link to your video and they can watch it. If they don't have the link, they can search all day long in YouTube and they won't find it. Unlisted kind of works the same way with the link. I guess with the private, you can actually choose different accounts as well to be able to watch it. So that allows you to, if you're trying to share something with an individual before you post it, you can do that. Public is public. That's where you're wanting to share it to the world. And since we're going to schedule this, I said that I was going to do it at 11 a.m. on May 6th for this video to actually go live. And that's all I need to do. And I hit schedule. There's my link to this video. Even though it's going to be 3 days away, it is here and ready to be seen. Now you can see the schedule, 6 and 11, and there is the video. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comments below.